Grading and feedback for matching quizzes. Master your English vocabulary. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about grading and feedback for matching quizzes. This video will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to make the most of your synonym and antonym quizzes, focusing on understanding how grading works and how to effectively utilize feedback. Let's dive right in with the importance of grading. Grading provides a tangible representation of your knowledge and understanding. It's not just a score, it's a reflection of your hard work, dedication, and language learning progress. Moreover, it provides a clear indication of the areas where you are strong, as well as the areas that may need a bit more attention. Moving on to the grading process for matching quizzes. Typically, the grading is straightforward. For each correct match of a synonym or antonym, you earn a point. The total number of points possible usually equals the total number of words to be matched. The more words you correctly match, the higher your score. Remember, though, the goal is not just to get a high score, but to truly learn and internalize these new words. Next up, we have decoding your grade. Look at the feedback provided along with your grade. This feedback is a goldmine of information, showing exactly where you went wrong and which words you need to focus on. The true value of your grade lies not in the score itself, but in what you learn from it. Now, let's talk about utilizing feedback effectively. When you review your feedback, start by looking at the incorrect matches. Identify patterns. Are you frequently confusing words with similar sounds or spellings? Or are you struggling with words that have multiple meanings? By identifying your mistakes, you can better focus your study efforts. Finally, we have strategies for improvement. Use the feedback and grades from your quizzes to inform your studying. Review the words you struggled with using flashcards, additional exercises, or by incorporating them into your daily life. Continuously assess your progress with further quizzes to consolidate your learning. Thank you for joining us for today's video on grading and feedback for matching quizzes. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to interpret and make use of your grades to better your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and remember, every mistake is a step towards becoming a more proficient English speaker. Happy learning!